Struggling to find an idea to make money? Here are some awaited solutions. You can start a profitable business with as little as a few $100s. But what are the options to start such a business? Are there any options to start a business with less income and more profit? I will answer all your questions in this video with best profitable business ideas to make money in 2021. Starting an online business has never been so easy and reasonable. With the evolution in technology, starting a profitable business has become so fast and affordable. However, coming up with a perfect business idea is one of the biggest hurdles. But once you find out what's best for you, it can be highly rewarding. If you already have been asking yourself about a business idea, then this video is for you. Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Unwana Udoh, your free personal finance coach. Coming up in this video are the best profitable business ideas to make money in 2021. If you have been waiting to start a new business and make money instantly with less investment, watch this video till the end. Do not forget to click the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's start with the first idea. Online shopping, that's what everyone is looking for. Start an online e-commerce store. A decade earlier, it was very difficult to start an online e-commerce business and to make a living with it. But now, with the help of so many software and apps, you can create amazing online e-commerce shops. In no time, you'll be selling t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more products. However, keep in mind that people buy clothes because of the designs on them. This is perhaps the most difficult aspect of launching an online store, since many entrepreneurs are businessmen rather than artists. You'll need to understand things like PayPal transactions, shopping trends, B2B marketing, and bang, you are there. Once you are all set with your online site, start calling other businesses to join you for their sales. It takes 3 to 5 days on average to launch an e-commerce business like this. This is based on a fundamental principle. Number 1. You sell exceptional products that are made after the client orders them. Number 2. You can then take the customer's money to pay for the order. Number 3. The product is sent to your client by your retailer. It doesn't get any better than this. You get the return without spending in stock or having a warehouse. If that's not it, try the upcoming second move. If you've got a talent that can be turned into a digital product, think about packaging it into a new stream of income. Create digital courses and online products. On this list of best profitable business ideas, digital goods such as online short courses of any kind are exclusive. They aren't tangible like the rest. Since you won't have to think about recurrent production or distribution expenses, the profit margins would stay strong, making it a no-brainer for the right businesses to launch. The challenge is determining what makes a successful digital product. What is so valuable that people would pay money to buy it? The thing here to be considered is that you need to find out what you can sell as a course. Whether you do yoga, makeup, or any other skill you have. Just make sure to be an expert in the field and then start offering a short course in that particular skill. Make a small video with catchy content, post it on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms to get viewers. If you have already got some engagements on social media, this is a must-try for you to make quick money in the year 2021. Want to make money? Why not convince others to start a business? Be a business consultant. Okay, so I've gained a lot of experience in the consultancy industry that allows me to provide professional advice. You can consult whether you have contact with B2B or non-profit organizations, and you can also provide advice based on your experience. Use your knowledge in consulting business to other big or small business owners or investors. People and organizations will pay you for your expertise in assisting them in achieving their goals for the business. What do you get in return? More revenue, increased staff morale, a risk-free technology initiative, assistance in corporate decision-making, the list continues on and on. That's a lot of just advising. What do you think? Take out the creative person inside you. Be a stock photographer. Stock photographs are seen everywhere, from blogs and posters to digital marketing. You can quickly sell your photographs on stock photo websites if you have a DSLR and good Photoshop skills. What's the benefit? You will get royalty anytime a customer uses your photograph. Later on, you will build your own website in order to secure better corporate ventures. But, before you accept stock photography as a business, find out what kind of equipment you'll need and how much money you'll need to get started. Try to learn more about photography, the best weather to take photos, and the best places to take images for different subjects. The best part of choosing this business is you'll get to learn a lot and have fun while earning money. Start marketing through emails. Email marketing. Have you got a talent for composing emails? Have you figured out how to write subject lines that make people want to click? If you are good at it, you can go into business for yourself and make money by starting an email marketing company. Companies in need of email strategy assistance can be found on various websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Cold Outreach. I bet clients would race to get your services and even adhere to the price you quote them until you show the talent in tempting words, major brownie points if you can help grow their email list. Investing in email marketing software, which can simplify much of your activities, is one of your startup expenses. If you have a few $100s to spend it by starting email marketing. Prepare to repair. Start a computer repair business. There are many advantages of beginning a computer repair business if you know all about computers or a laptop's ins and outs. It's a reliable and widespread service, and one can start earning in no time with this business. Personal machines are here to stay forever. Computers are used by people of all ages and levels of expertise for a variety of purposes, including television, finance, social networking, and more. Unfortunately, viruses and other problems are often a challenge, particularly for those who use their laptop to go online. This ensures a steady stream of customers. You have got a great chance to make the most of this business given the higher prices of repairs by other service places. Offer reasonable prices for laptops and computer repairs along with maintenance. If you're a handyman, you can begin contacting small businesses and neighbors for computer repair work. You will gradually extend the staff to accept larger orders from medium and larger businesses. Okay. The next one is a bit harder but can make you popular in no time, and everyone loves to eat. Why not get a food truck? People who enjoy cooking or experimenting with food also fantasize about opening their small restaurant. But except if someone is lucky enough to get financing during the early phase, not everyone can manage to make such a big investment. But don't be discouraged. If you're short of cash, starting a food truck venture might be one of the affordable and profitable business ideas. To purchase a food truck, you just need to make a small initial investment. Having a food truck is also an excellent way to determine whether or not customers want the food you are offering or not. And if you're fortunate enough to get a favorable outcome, you might consider turning your food truck into a cafe or hotel. So, here are some of the ideas that we got to talk about since everyone wants to get money quickly and launch a business with less investment. If you want to make a move in starting up a small business, these are some of the best ideas for launching a business and making money instantly. By following these suggestions I have given you in this video, you will surely be a profitable business owner. With that being said, if you need more help with personal finance, join my digital course called Personal Finance Domination. This course will teach you financial management and is definitely going to help you out in fulfilling your financial goals and set up a small business in no time. If you like any of the video ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to find out more on how to master your personal finance and grow your wealth. If you have any questions or new ideas for making money, drop them below in the comment section. I'll come up with a new informative video for you again. Till then, see you in my next video.